Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview BioGuard Pool Closing Complete. What is BioGuard Pool Closing Complete? Pool Closing Complete provides the final touch for pool closings. The concentrated 3-in-1 formula helps save time and prevent issues at the opening, as well as protecting pool surfaces and equipment during the cold weather months. This product works perfectly with the BioGuard Arctic Blue Winter Kits. Product benefits: prevents issues at the opening, protects equipment and surfaces, saves time at the opening. Usage directions: before applying BioGuard Pool Closing Complete, make sure all pool equipment is working properly, including pump, filter, skimmer, and heater. If needed, backwash or clean the filter according to the manufacturer's directions. Follow manufacturer's directions for winterizing equipment. Be sure to check the instructions and the dosing chart before using. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.